Hi everyone! So sa mga nagtatanong kung paano ba mag-apply as a tutor here sa Preply, so this is it. So I'm going to walk you through the whole process para maka-apply as a tutor here on Preply. So let's start! So since naka-login na sa Google Chrome yung Preply account ko, I'm not going to use it here. So let's use the Microsoft Edge. Okay, so search mo lang ang Preply. Pagkatapos, click mo yan or directly sa Become a Tutor. Okay, so ito na makikita mo siya. Then, scroll mo lang. Hanapin mo yung Become a Tutor. Okay, there you go. And then, click it. Okay, so ito yung gagawin mo. Sign up. Okay, get approved. Okay, tapos, start ka na mag-earn. Alright, so i-click mo lang sa baba yung create a tutor profile now. Okay, so if you already have your Google account, so pwede naman direct or Facebook. Pwede ka ring gumawa ng bago. Okay, so gamitin lang natin yung existing na Google account ko. Okay, so there you go. Click ko lang yung nasa baba. Okay. Okay, tapos kailangan ko siyang i-verify sa phone ko. So, i-click ko lang sa phone ko yung yes, it's me. And then, maglo-load na siya. Okay, tapos, ayan na, continue lang natin if we're not going to change our password. Then, after that, we have here, sign in to preply.com. Then, continue. So, after that, makikita mo na yung okay, so kailangan nating i-fill in. So meron tayong about, photo, certificate, education, description, video, availability, and pricing. Okay, so kailangan lang natin i-fill in lahat yan. No, so tapos, no, we can just save and continue. Okay, so ito sa language na gagamitin natin. So to write our description. Of course, we have to write it in English para naman no makaintindi lahat. Alright, so we have to choose our country, and of course, you have to confirm that you are 18 years old and above. Okay, subject you teach. Okay, so since Tagalog ang tinuturo ko, Tagalog ilalagay ko dito. Okay. Then sa language you speak. So, lagay mo lahat yung mga language na alam mo. So, ito, since nakalagay dyan native, so, Cebuano. Cebuano is my native language. Okay. And then, no, what are the, what your language level for the subject you teach. Okay. So, alam mo naman siguro kung ano yan. B2, C1, C2. Okay. So, ayan, tapos save and continue. Okay? Tapos dito naman tayo sa photo. So, may man nakalagay dyan sa baba kung ano yung mga photo na dapat nating i-upload. Basahin mo lang yung nakalagay dyan sa baba. Okay, so di natin siya ma-save and continue. So, kailangan talaga nating mag-upload ng photo dito. Maghanap tayo ng ng photo na pwede nating i-upload. Okay, tingnan natin kung may nakasave ba akong photo dito. Okay, maghanap tayo. Okay, so ito. No, temporary lang naman. So, ayan, pwede na yan. Alright. So, kapag okay na, save mo lang. Save, profile, okay, and then, okay, save na. Tapos, punta na sa teaching certification. Okay, so hindi naman, pag sinabi natin, wala kang teaching certification, hindi ka na makakapagturo. Pero, no, you can click that. Okay, pero kung meron naman, no, especially sa English, if you have like, yung mga TESOL na mga certificate, so ilagay mo lang dyan. Kasi plus points din yan. So, you can get a certified verified badge. Okay, so since demo lang ito, so click ko lang yung I don't have certification. Okay, para ma-save and continue natin. Then dito tayo sa education. Okay. So may nakalagay din sa taas na I don't have a higher education degree, so you can also click that. Kaya another is diploma verified ka, so plus points din yan siya. Okay, so for this demo, click ko lang yun para mas madali. And then we have this profile description. Okay, so you have to introduce yourself. No, kailangan nating ibenta yung sarili natin dito. Char lang. Okay, pero nakalagay dyan, don't include your last name or present your information in a CV format. So yung mga personal information natin. No? So, wag na nating isali. Para na din sa safety natin, no? As mga tutor. Okay, so, example lang natin. Hello, my name is Teacher Cha. So, I'll just finish this, tapos continue sa baba. And then, teaching experience. So, you have to write your teaching experience there. Okay, so sa akin, ilagay ko lang. I have 2 years work experience, no, sa actual na school. So, ilagay mo siya, no, if you also have that kind of mga, experience. Okay, then, after that, i-click mo lang yung continue kapag kapag natapos ka na. Okay. So, inalagay ko dito, I have 2 years work experience in the actual school and 5 years is a Tagalog tutor online. Okay, yan lang. So, you can edit it naman anytime. Okay, and then you can click, no, continue. Okay, para mapunta tayo doon sa motivate potential students. Sa number 3 na. Okay, so dito, no, mabuti na kasi meron na silang dito, no, AI can help. Nung una kasi, nung nag-apply ako, wala. So, pwede yan siya dyan. Okay, so you can edit sa profile mo. Okay, so unlock the beauty of Tagalog with me. Together, we'll explore language through creativity, passion, and fun. Let's make learning. Ano yun? Hindi ko na mabasa. Okay, so after that, click mo lang yung continue. And then number 4, write a catchy headline. Okay, so ilagay ko lang dito, certified tutor certified tutor with 5 years experience. Okay, and then save and continue. Okay, so kapag natanggap na kayo, you can edit it naman anytime. Okay, so dito, test camera. Ito naman is para sa video introduction mo. Okay, so i-allow lang natin yung microphone at saka yung camera. Okay, ayan. Hi! Okay. So, actually, di ba sabi ko na before kayo mag-apply, you have to, gumawa na kayo ng video intro ninyo. No? Kasi, kapag dito kasi, parang di mo na siya ma-edit, diretso. Okay, tapos, kailangan nating sundin yung mga guidelines, video requirements. Basahin nyo talaga kasi marami talagang, maraming hindi nakakapasa ng dahil sa video introduction. So, kailangan mo basahin yan, yung mga yung mga dapat, no, lang laman ng video, ilang minutes ba, tapos, don't. Okay? So, yung ako, nag-upload ako ng video introduction sa YouTube. So, nakalagay dyan, no? You can paste a link to your video. So, pwede siya from YouTube or Vimeo. So, dyan mo lang ilalagay yung link. Okay? Tapos, save and continue. So, since hindi siya ma-save, no, and continue dito kasi wala tayong in-upload na video, so, gawa kayo beforehand. Alright? So, ngayon, no, after this is the availability pagkatapos ang pricing. Alright? So, that's it for today. I hope na may natutunan kayo. Okay? Para sa mga may tanong, you can comment your questions there. Okay? So, thank you for watching. Bye!